How much can someone realistically earn as a PPC specialist? You can earn from $0 to as much as your mind dares wildly to go. I took this course. I learned about Amazon PPC. I learned about how to launch my own product on Amazon. This was 7 years ago, something like that. By that time, we were living in Austria. It was very hard for me to thrive as a successful agency owner. So I wanted to get as much experience as I could. I saw these jobs. I was applying to the job because it was really a time for me to switch from my current profession, which was music producer, into marketing. I want to learn marketing. I want to get all the jobs possible that it's marketing related, because I want to switch backgrounds and learn as much as possible without needing to invest 4 more years in traditional education. Long story short, I found this brand who was selling already on Amazon, and I did not know that previously. And the first call that I had with this person who was the brand owner, they were saying, we need someone for social media. While doing my due diligence and research on them, hey guys, you're selling also on Amazon. And he was like, yes, we are selling, and we're making like $30,000 per month and so on. Back then, that was a huge number, especially on the Amazon Germany marketplace. Where do I want to get with this? And I said, great. I had some knowledge when it comes down to Amazon ads. I'm like, I want to test this right away. So I charged $500 for product listing optimization, creatives optimization, for running their Amazon ads, and also the back end of the listings. Little did I know that it's going to be so much work. However, I needed something to experience in, something like real world. I know how to actually create a freaking campaign. It's not only just the information that I'm looking at YouTube. So why I'm telling you this is because literally I did that job so cheap. Looking back now in 2026, when I'm recording this, we are not anymore taking on a full account management because it's super expensive for the brand to hire us. So we have different setup. But my point is that you can start from the bottom. So you can accept free work and then say, okay, I'm going to do this for free. I'm going to learn on the account. This is still my knowledge. I am still going to apply knowledge. But if you are, for example, a strategist, if I would go to a brand and I'm telling them, hey, I'm still charging $500 on your account and I'm dealing with 6 and 7 figure brands, they're just going to look at me like, really? And it's like, yeah, that's how much I'm charging. So then you would put in the question of, does this person actually knows what they're doing? Because $500 for the strategy that my account needs, that has 5 marketplaces, 6 marketplaces, highly likely they're not going to be able to manage whatever I'm looking for. And if I'm going to charge the same amount of $500, probably they're not going to take me seriously. So back to your question, how much can someone realistically earn as a PPC strategist? I would advise you, take a step back, look realistically where you are on the journey. Are you a junior? The way we are defining them is step by step, SOP follower, no thinking, no nothing. They just know very well how to execute, which is an important skill to have. Are you an intermediate PPC manager? Intermediate means that they understand strategy, they can create strategy, they could manage an account, but if it's depending only on them, the account probably is not going to grow. Maybe it's going to become more efficient. All the sessions that we have certainly hope after the past quarter, I prove you that my knowledge is based on my skill set. I know how to project for this quarter, which are the most important things that we're going to talk about with the brand. What are the things they should prioritize? What are the things they should not prioritize? So I am thinking of myself right now as an advanced strategist level. For an advanced strategist, you can literally ask for as much as you believe you can help the brand grow, and they're going to pay you. Of course, you're not going to ask for something like, pay me 5 million because I can do this, and you're not able to do it. So if you're going to play in the courtyard of businesses who are doing 20, 30, 50, 100 million, and you're asking for your 5 million, they might be considering you. But if you are targeting clients that are 5-figure, 6-figure, even 7-figure, I'm not going to consider you. This is the way how I would realistically sit back and understand what my value is, apply for advanced positions. And then honestly, right now in my company, I'm like 2 weeks in, you did not show me that you're advanced, you're charging me for advanced, you're out. It's important for you to understand where you are and realistically charge.